Hey you guys, this is going to the Tram to area, Las Vegas, Nevada. Steep escalators, but you know I showed you steeper than that before. And let's see how this tram looks. Looks like there's going to be a charge for this. 4 minutes. It says 4 minutes to get the tram to the area. So this is the tram. Never did this before. I never caught it. But this is how it looks, you guys. This is how it looks. So you catch this tram to get you from one casino to the next. And this will be my first experience doing this because we basically just walk it out. We walk it out, or we catch a lift. So there you go. It's just showing you guys more scenery from Las Vegas, Nevada, July 2024. Enjoy the rest of your night.